Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to be reviewing the Car and Driver Road Patrol 1080p Touch Duo dash camera. And be sure to stick around until the end because we'll be doing a giveaway of 3 cameras. Alright, so the Car and Driver Road Patrol 1080p Touch Duo is a dual-facing dash cam. It has a 1080p forward-facing camera, and it has a 720p rear-facing camera. But that rear-facing camera is modular, which you can essentially place it wherever you want in the vehicle. It can record your car's interior, which is rear-facing, which most rideshare drivers will use it for. But you could also put it on your rear window if you wanted to. For those parents out there, you could use it as a baby monitor. And also, if you have a particular blind spot in your vehicle, you could use it for that as well. It also comes with a 3-inch OLED touchscreen display. And it comes with some additional safety features like their accident avoidance system, which will alert you when your car veers from its lane or comes in with collision range of an approaching vehicle. And it also has G-sensor collision detection. It detects accidents and protects crucial video recordings from overwrite. Now here's everything that comes with. It comes with the dash cam itself, which also has the OLED display. It comes with the dash cam windshield mount. It comes with the secondary windshield mount that you can use with the modular camera. It comes with that second modular camera. It also includes a memory card, a 16GB micro TF card. It includes a sticky plate for mounting on porous surfaces. It includes a 42-inch cable for the second modular camera, also a 16.5-inch cable for the second modular camera. It also comes with a 12-volt power cable with included extra charging port, a 30-inch micro USB cable, and a headrest strap if you want to use that modular camera as a baby monitor. For those of you with Costco memberships, it's currently $140 at Costco, and it's $180 through Amazon. Alright, so for those of you that really want versatility with that second camera, this could be the dash cam for you. The forward-facing camera, the 1080p camera, is pretty standard, but that modular camera is a major differentiator. Granted, it doesn't shoot at 1080p, it shoots at 720p, but you can place it in so many different positions. Like I said, for most rideshare drivers, you're just going to use it as an interior-facing camera. You're going to plug it directly into the forward-facing camera, but it has versatility where you can use that camera just about anywhere in your vehicle. Now, another differentiator with this camera is that it includes those extra safety features. Those safety features are nice to have, but I found them a bit annoying at times. And this is what you'll hear when you cross over a solid yellow line. And here's what you might hear when you come close to a vehicle. And I had the sensitivity on my camera set to the highest setting. The forward-facing footage is great. Again, it shoots at 1080p at 30 frames per second. And then again, that modular camera shoots at 720p at 30 frames per second. And again, you get a lot of stuff with this camera. When I first opened the box, I was overwhelmed. There was so much stuff in there. It also comes with a memory card, which is awesome. All dash cams should include that memory card. Overall, I think it's a great camera. It includes a lot of different things, a modular camera, some additional safety features. It is a bit bulky. It has that 3-inch OLED display. It's basically like a small smartphone display on your camera. Now, as far as a price comparison to other dual-facing dash cameras that we reviewed, the Touch Duo and the Blue Sky C include SD cards, so you don't have to purchase those separately. The Vantrue N2 Pro does not include an SD card, so you do have to purchase that separately. The Touch Duo is currently $140 at Costco, but it's $180 on Amazon. All in, the Vantrue N2 Pro is $185, and the Blue Sky C is available for $140 on Amazon. Again, if you want versatility and a lot of value with your dash cam, this could be the one for you. And as far as the giveaway, we'll be giving away 3 units, which will be shipped directly to you from Car and Driver. And in order to qualify for the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, make sure to like this video, and leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this dash cam. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.